In today's video, I'm going to teach you Outlook.com storage full why and how to fix it right now. If your inbox is over quota, new emails can bounce or stop arriving. So let's clear space quickly and safely while keeping what matters. First, sign into Outlook.com in your web browser. We'll start with the fastest win, permanently clearing out places where mail is hiding. Open your deleted items folder. Messages you deleted still count toward your limit until they're removed from here, so use the empty folder option at the top. Take a moment to glance through anything recent, then confirm. Do the same in junk email. Junk can build up quietly, so emptying that folder often frees up a surprising amount of space. After each empty, give the page a second to update. Next, target the biggest offenders, messages with large attachments. At the top of your message list, click Filter, then Sort, and choose Size, largest first. This bubbles up the heaviest emails so you can act on them efficiently. Open a few to confirm what they contain. If you need the file, download it to your computer or cloud storage first, then select the message and delete it. To speed things up, use Shift-click to select a range or Control-Command-click to select several and remove them together. Focus on anything with big photos, videos, or long threads with repeated attachments. Now let's clean up senders that flood your inbox. Select one message from a sender you get a lot of mail from, then click the Sweep button on the toolbar. Sweep lets you instantly delete all messages from that sender or automatically remove emails older than 10 days. Choose the option that fits your situation, review the summary so you know what will happen, and confirm. Sweep is great for newsletters, notifications, or receipts that pile up and don't need to live in your mailbox forever. Finally, remember that Outlook.com and OneDrive share your Microsoft storage pool. That means clearing space in OneDrive can help your email too. Open OneDrive on the web, go to the recycle bin, and empty it to permanently remove files you've already deleted. Check the contents first in case there's anything you still need, because this action can't be undone. When you're done, refresh Outlook.com and check your available storage. You should see immediate improvement. Repeat these quick cleanups from time to time. Empty deleted items and junk. Sort by size to remove big attachments. Use Sweep for high volume senders, and clear the OneDrive recycle bin to keep your mailbox healthy and ready for what's next.